Alright, today we're going to install a carbon monoxide detector. Give it a twist, pull off the back. Don't ever paint a carbon monoxide detector or a smoke detector. What we're going to need is a drill or a screwdriver, and that's pretty much it. Maybe some alkaline batteries if you have them. So we're just going to stick this guy in here like this. I already made a hole earlier. Alright. Next, alright. Like I said before, you want to use alkaline batteries in these, but I'm fresh out of alkaline batteries, so I'm just going to stick in these nickel metal hydrate batteries I have. And put that guy back on there. I did it upside down. What an idiot! Alright, not a problem. We'll just go ahead and use counterclockwise. Flip that puppy over. So, always check the orientation of your mounting plate before you mount it. And I would go, judging by this here, these have to go up, because if you have two screws that go through there, otherwise it'll just fall off. So, next step here, clockwise again. Alright. Now we got this bad boy hooked up again here. Alright, we'll give it a test. 0 parts per million. Seems pretty good to me. There you have it. Now I'll know if there's carbon monoxide. And how much? How much is too much? I don't know. But I like 0. Have a nice day.